Hi, this is Jason West. One of the things that I get approached about a lot by guys looking to start up as a consultant or a coach online, or maybe someone who's even got an existing business doing that, but it's not really going that great. They're not getting enough clients to be able to run a proper business and maybe even give up a job that they have if they were doing it part-time. So what I've got here is like a brilliant solution to just get you, if you're a male coach, online with a really professional website, and more importantly, be able to start pulling in leads and converting people into buyers. So how does it happen? Well, first of all, you're going to get this professional template all built up for you, ready to go in Kartra, which is the software platform this one has been built in. And it really is as simple as using my video training. You buy the template, log into my secure training area, and then you're able to get started just switching over the images and the copy to your brand and what it is you're doing. So like there's a logo up here, you'll just upload your logo, your picture, and so on until you just get the site looking exactly the way that you want it. But all the hard work's been done, like the layouts and where the images are all going, the messages, everything's been laid out professionally. So, unless you've done web design before, it's going to make your life a lot easier. And then on this particular site here, it's like a full site all built in Kartra. You've got your About Us, which looks really good. Again, just simple, replace the text. If you can use Word, you can use Kartra to do this. And then just replace the images of yourself. And then you can link a blog up as well with like WordPress on a subdomain. And then we've got training here. So most coaches and consultants will sell an online course, or you'll be able to book an appointment with them. So what we've got here is just a sales page with some testimonials and everything all laid out, FAQs with nice opening concertina boxes there. And then a work with me page, so people want to find out a little bit more about what it is you can do for them. That's all there too. And then very important, how to contact the owner of the site, so which will be you. So what we've got is the full help desk as well, just down here. That's where that linked to the contact us. So it's all nicely integrated in Kartra, which is why I've built this particular template in that platform. Now, the other thing that you get with this, if you buy the package, you can buy this website all on its own, complete like that, ready to import into your Kartra account with just one special code that we email to you. And you can also get it in a package, and that's what I'm here to talk about in this video just now, because this is a really inexpensive way to get online and start selling your consulting and coaching. So for just $9.97, you get this full package of funnels that all link together. Normally it'd be like $1,685, so there's a 40% saving by doing this all in one go. So you get what I've just shown you, the Male Coach website, for $2.97. And then you also get a product launch funnel. Now, the product launch funnel is brilliant for when you do an initial launch of your course or product, what you're selling. And it's done very much like the way Jeff Walker, who's an internet marketer who's been online forever and a day. And it works by just having a sequence of 4 videos that you lead people through, all automatic, done in this funnel. And then at the very end, you offer them your course or your product, and they can then make the purchase. And it's all automated with countdown timers, email sequences and everything. Great way to get going if you're a consultant. And then also you're going to want to sometimes book strategy calls with your clients. Sometimes they'll be paid, so that is actually the product, is the call. At other times, you'll want to lead them through to a call where you sell your product online. So I'm giving you the strategy call funnel, which is amazing at doing that. I've got hundreds of calls booked and my clients, again, hundreds of calls using the strategy call funnel. And then you get the ebook download funnel. So one of the core ways of gaining new leads as a consultant or coach is to offer a free download, which is usually like an ebook, PDF, something like that. So I've got a funnel there that will really help you pull in tons of leads from your ad campaigns, social media campaigns, just to get in that constant flow of leads for you to work with. And then what I've done is give you a choice of these two and these two. So you can choose to do a virtual summit if you would like to. The funnel I give you with this one is huge. It's like 17 pages, loads of sequences and everything. Hours and hours of work that it's going to save you. And you can then run your own virtual summit in your niche. So let's just say that you are into fitness, you're a fitness coach or something like that. You can have your own virtual summit on fitness training, invite lots of speakers, create a big event and pull in tons of leads again for your business and make a lot of money. And then if you prefer to do things live when we can again, depending on when you're watching this, obviously COVID has struck. But when you're ready to do live events again with real people, you can also get the live event funnel. So you choose between those two initially as part of this package. And then if you sell via webinars, which a lot of people do for high ticket products between $1,000 and $2,000, then you can use the webinar course selling funnel, which links up with like Webinar Jam, Demio, EverWebinar, the webinar softwares out there. So you can sell that way, or you can use this one, which is the Kartra auto webinar funnel. And that's just everything held in Kartra. And it's like a video presentation webinar, all automated, all done for you, and all designed to sell your products and services. So you can see this package is phenomenal value for $997, and it just sets you up online, ready to start selling. And that's what it's all about. So where do you get it? I'll put a link underneath or above this video, depending on where you're watching it. And if you want to find out about the individual funnels and know exactly what it is they all do, you can just go to this link here, Kartra funnels, and then just go take a look. So there's the strategy call funnel, the product launch, the webinar course selling, and then the Kartra webinar funnel. And then there's a unique video for each of those that explains it in detail. But what you're really buying is a huge time saving and a proven way to get sales for your products and services online as a guy who is doing coaching and consulting. So there you go. Thanks very much for watching. I hope that was useful to you. I hope you can see the benefit of doing that, like many of my other clients. And I'll speak to you real soon. Don't forget to subscribe to this if you're watching it on YouTube, and a little like would be much appreciated. Cheers.